Welcome to Kerschner FarmStead. I'm Hunter.
My name is William.
And today we'll be showing you how to make Motzo Toffee.
Okay, now we're gonna lay the matzo down on the cookie sheet that I have.
Make sure your cookie sheet is covered with tinfoil so that your matzo and your toffee does not stick to the pan. Now, while he's doing that, I'm going to unwrap the butter and put it in our pot. A cup and a half of brown sugar and a cup and a half of butter to my pot. Now we are going to do an overhead view on the stove. Now that we have our pot on the stove, we're going to set the stove to medium high. Make sure you don't stir the butter and brown sugar. It will crystallize. It's okay to shake the pot at the beginning so that all the butter gets under the brown sugar. Alright, so now you're going to let this boil for about 1 minute. And then you're going to pull it off the heat. Okay, there's my timer. We're going to pull it off the heat. Now you can stir it a little, and then we're going to pour it over the matzo. I'm trying out the taffy. Now we are going to put the matzo into the oven at 450 degrees for 5 minutes. Once it's bubbly like this, you're going to take it out.
Sprinkle the chocolate chips all over the top. Now that we have the chocolate chips spread, we're going to wait and let them melt. Now that they've melted, we're going to spread the chocolate over the taffy.
Okay, now the last step we're going to do is we're going to use a type of coarse salt. I'm using pink Himalayan salt, but you can use any coarse salt that you have. Alright, so now we are going to put this in the fridge to set for 1 hour, and then you will have your Motzo Toffee. Hope you enjoyed watching. Please like and subscribe. Hope you have a good rest of your weekend. Bye!
Bye!